To test Golden Forex Scalping, the first thing you need to do is get the 7-day free trial. After that, you can download the EA and all the related files from there. Use the link in the user manual to open and verify a Deriv account like this. Enter your complete details correctly and create the account. Open a Deriv MT5 account from the Traders Hub. Download and install the MT5 platform. Enter the login details and access your account like this. Press Ctrl+Shift+D to open the Data folder. Place the Golden Forex Scalping.exe file into the Expert folder, then close and reopen MT5. Press Ctrl+N together to go to the Navigator window. Now, drag and drop Golden Forex Scalping onto the chart. Enter your authority key. To get this key, after purchasing your membership, send your MT5 account number to the Telegram username at Golden Forex Tools or via Facebook Messenger. After that, you will receive a valid key along with the latest update of the expert.